Hello everyone, and welcome to this Blender tutorial on how to select vertices, edges and faces. So we've got our box and we'll just play around with our box here. Alright, so we go into our hierarchy and click on our cube, our white triangle there, and it should create a white circle around it. Alright, so this now allows us to come down the bottom here and select vertices. So we can right click on our vertices and move them around and manipulate them individually. What we can also do is select multiple vertices by holding down the shift key and right clicking on individual vertices to add them, and then we can move those around, leaving behind the ones we didn't actually select. Another thing you can do if you've got multiple selected is hold the control button down and right click, and it will remove them from the selected points you have. And of course you can hold down shift and reselect ones if you accidentally get rid of one you meant to have there. Alright, so let's move on to edges. Now you can select edges by going down to this icon and selecting it. Now you can right click on the edges and manipulate an edge to however you like it. You can do the same thing with the shift key, hold it down and select all your edges. Again, control will take away the edges that you selected. Alright, same thing for faces now. Clicking on the faces icon down the bottom, you can right click on each face, same thing, hold shift, get two of them, control to remove one if you didn't want that one selected. Alright, excellent. So what you can also do, we'll go back to vertices because it's the easiest one to see it on. We're going to hold down B. So you're going to select B and you're going to get these lines that will show up, and what you can do is left click and drag, and any points within that square will get selected. So as you can see, they selected those ones, they didn't select anything else because you couldn't see them inside that box when you dragged it across. So if I do that again now and do just these two, there we go, only those two are selected. Makes it a little bit quicker in terms of selections, and you can hold down shift and B and do the same thing. Oops, that didn't work, don't worry. There we go. Oops, there we go. So I just added those, and I don't want that one, don't want that one, and don't want that one, and don't want that one. So you can do that on faces as well. Hold down, click on B, drag, and grabs those three faces, because it didn't grab any on the other side because it couldn't see them. Alright, thank you for listening to this tutorial.